Hey guys, in this video I'll be answering the Maths Method Sample Exam 1 question 3. Reading the question, we've got find an antiderivative of 1 on 2x minus 1 cubed with respect to x. To find an antiderivative for 1 on 2x minus 1 cubed, we need to use the rule, the integral of ax plus b raised to the power of n dx. This is going to equal the bracket ax plus b raised to the new power n plus 1 divided by the coefficient of the x term, which is a, times the new power, and then plus c. And we use this rule when the value of n, or the power of the brackets, does not equal minus 1. And so to integrate 1 on 2x minus 1 cubed, the first thing we need to do is rewrite this as 2x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3 and then dx. And now applying the rule, this is going to equal the brackets, which is 2x minus 1 raised to the new power, which is going to be minus 2, then divided by the coefficient of the x term, which is 2, and then multiplied by the new power, which is minus 2, and then plus c. This is the same as minus 1 on 4 times 2x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 2 plus c, which is equivalent to writing it as minus 1 over 4 times 2x minus 1 squared. And because we asked for an antiderivative, we don't need to include the plus c, but you can if you wanted to. The function with rule g of x has derivative g dash of x equals sine 2 pi x. Given that g of 1 equals 1 on pi, find g of x. If g dash of x is equal to sine of 2 pi x, then this means that g of x is going to be the integral of sine of 2 pi x dx. Integrating a sine function, we're going to get a negative cos function, and so this is going to be minus cos of 2 pi x, and then we divide this by the derivative of what's inside the brackets, which is going to be 2 pi, and then we add the plus c. Given that g of 1 is equal to 1 on pi, this means if we sub in x is equal to 1 into g of x, this is going to equal 1 on pi, and so minus cos of 2 pi times 1, which is just 2 pi over 2 pi plus c, is going to equal 1 on pi. Looking at the unit circle, this angle here is 2 pi. The coordinate here is going to be 1, 0. The x-coordinate is the cos of that angle, and so cos of 2 pi is equal to 1. And so this is going to be minus 1 over 2 pi plus c is equal to 1 on pi. Rearranging this, c is going to be 1 on pi plus 1 on 2 pi. To add this, we need to have the same denominator, and so if we multiply this by 2 on 2, we're going to get the value of c is equal to 3 on 2 pi. And so therefore, the rule of g of x is going to be minus cos of 2 pi x divided by 2 pi plus 3 on 2 pi. We can simplify this further by taking 1 on 2 pi as a common factor, and so we can rewrite this as 1 on 2 pi times 3 minus cos of 2 pi x. And that's it for this question. Now if you guys want to learn or practice exam style questions related to indefinite integrals, then log into the Maths Methods Club, and from the main topic select integration. And then from the subtopic select indefinite integrals. And if you want to practice exam 1 questions, go to question type and then select tech free. Here you're going to find all the exam 1 questions related to indefinite integrals. Try out these questions and see how you go. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.